All right, so I'm standing in a closet right now, and you can see the floor is dropped in the bathroom. And I know that's a bathroom because we want our wood floors to be flush with our tiles. So we actually drop the tile space so that we can build a mud bed, which levels out the plane before we install our tile. So you can see these are our trusses right here, and we've installed plywood between the trusses, right? So plywood, plywood, in between truss. And then the floor is higher, and we're going to install wood flooring there. So a couple other things you can see above me is a string line, and the string line represents where we're going to install our recess cans. So you can see above me here, there's a piece of blue tape, and we're putting the blue tape up there so we know our recess can is going to be installed. And the recess cans have about a 5-inch, I guess the housing is about 5 inches, so the plumbing will want to clear the recess cans. So we're prepping our plumbers by telling them where the recess cans go. The room over here, there's an intersection with the string lines, and that actually represents an actual recess can when we see the intersection. And then if we go over here, and I always love cutting through the studs because later on we won't be able to do that. And we're drying the house in right now, so you can see we have our dry-in material, which means we can install our recess cans and our HVAC equipment and our duct runs. We need to keep the house dry. And you can actually see the plastic part of the roof drying, and that plastic is temporary because we're going to have some rafter tails that get scabbed onto those existing rafters. So we'll have some nice rafter tails that are finished, and we'll scab those on. So that's what we have going on. We have our zip system going in, we're drying in, we're fine-tuning framing, and we're getting our mechanicals going.